games, you know, it me make sure so go close to 10 and 9. So opponent, you know, defend and where they and watch them. If they are able to do that, I think they are going to win. And I can tell you they will win. I mean, come on, because this boy determination the only problem kakra me here is that it looks like foreigners rent man tem ama me can look at it coercion na bia any papa, but with Ghana when it comes to tournament, the kind of I read, I mean we can pass through.
Okay, I don't know someone kululu we can pass through. Eti nyame adom na adom bi dom waya bibia ebeye kama ye mompaye na ene before ebebo beye 10 die na chese atagre Ghana yare ati the first match yane Cameroon, Egypt ene Mali bebo ansana Ghana ene Cameroon so abo 8 o'clock eti yemhwe ye bompaye na yabobi ediama the Black Meteors of Ghana almost ebo so mbenya slot no matumi qualify ako Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games Japan. Now second topic now. Yanko Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ahwefo no entie ne mame. Kotoko ehye se after say omne San Pedro ko ball no Kotoko asem ne yakasa. Na omhye se coach Zachariasen Dr. Kwame Chentumi guarantee any safety. Eti opening twentwen so kakransa. Omoma ne time na time no so eye enura se nka Zachariasen entumi mra na omehye ne dwumadi ase. Na anida ebetwem ne anya dia Zachariasen etumi aba. Na eno ana manfo bi Ghanaians ni bi kasa se adan no ma yempam no ena de ogire mama no represent no be beto abonten se opani efe ne Charles e de beto abonten se sansam na nkofo bi keka ono ye no manya adwen if say Zachariasen enya dia oja kotokone se omka so resign pa de on resign ne en resign china na mum gise kotokofo ankasa pam no eno de fine ene obeye na ede da one may ena news a efiri kotokwa kache eba ne say se wunim opani efe no ono ye personal body pa advisor edema fancy Dr. Kwame Chei Nana Jambibi also yes edinu if that's the right name there Jambibi yes also ade abeto abonten say kotokofo ama Zachariasen up to ene se ene wa mepie Ghana ha na wa mefa kotokodwumadi ni dia ene na enye obi ne kumantwi Zachariasen ankasa ne pe ene odi niti age adwuma no na chese abono na ompese obeye biem na di wo gire mama Zachariasen eye Charles nso di abeto bonten say until say awie ya before ebe studios was it until say kotokofo beba bonten abeka kire omo say they can guarantee the safety of coach Zachariasen no the coach is not coming today nor tomorrow eti eno so WhatsApp kakra eno so every ho e baro eti baba media kululu ewuram na eno so da nchen a afei kotokwante eba ne say new management bi ya form eba me de betu manim say opani efa ni George Akwasi afiye ene ebeye in charge of eye kotoko CEO eduru ba bia manfo bi say o anya no kra me no kan kasa ye names bi eba abeka mensa hanta menya bi ene say debi se free na nkopim dwada na se wote se George Akwasi afiye eye CEO ede makotokwa me man shara nyo nwa kululu kotokwa semi
oza na me reading your maybe ni ade nsem ba but you know me I've said it here say me dear me won say nwa nana o say to the team no more they are not ready they are not try tested because o share generation ni nyina na it tells you say they are not ready for the club and the way ye nyina ye nana Kwame Nkrumah ka say black man is capable of managing his own affairs no I don't think say some people in this country especially among Rani Kotoko ebinum I already said they will take over the west of your former president so I don't see the reason why Nana San had no one team na for once again I will say it Nana will say it to me dem nyaya and come and farm more just give it to white people to come and run the team give them say look every year be when I'm expecting their film and I think so when you be crowd is and Abua Kumasi lol coin Kumasi kejete obenya bi di Abua dansa wo san be pound crofo bi say wo san de shom za bra ye kukuru po na ye ni abeso a ye san be ma amafo bi o bra ye wo kromu a o ye nu obi a track record ye nu obi a betima he so me list e ba na I'm just laughing list I mean no and brand I'm just laughing but you know just
yes
because I mean
and talk kakra bia so na no correct
see oh no we know me I know where the list is coming from but it's because me my cancer be ya me fa mo bia ye fa ma brofo no mbo rane na no mo negotiate
eso do your friends footballer bi obo Ghana Blaster kakra okobo Bayern Nidium.
You see,
some more be it. This one
but you know, yeah, viewers, you know, they are football viewers, and they are very intelligent.
We can't win. I will be
na Ghana player. Ghana player. You see, Nkrofo Kromu a mesre na say for me there, me so the team no be mom. Me dey baby me gina na me gina on pa brofo bi outsiders and business minded people if they are black but they are not Ghanaians and they can do it well. I mean kudos na mbranda ho nipa ne committee a we so I say na supporters intimi relax intimi hu say yes indeed ye dey ho de nyansa ye waste your time e hwe club no intimi achievement dey eba but an kon ko ba supporter ekwakoye dwumade no discuss kraba be yi no da kwakwohwe ball na da bia e bete no kuma na obi ko bia na abu akam so I still stand by said all those people and anasa abobodi no na should come again to make sure say
you no credit ya
oh yeah
entina me pese me bo obi adi ma
chama na you credit pa we say we yen bia ye no credit so we are saying say oh yeah masa
you be ya na boti
no see no from what there what's that you know you mu say that
baby e free bar na kwa wa o
sa nti e betra ye nu na ya ka
e fa kofo pass na
me there since the one me say nana be ya me fa magana ni bia pabroni bi number run club no ma na so fa so be ba now coach Zakaria say I'm shocked say kotokofo share say wa Monday a
enya Monday asemo enne
oh me so okay well let's choose
na just almost say Monday wa ma me dwuma na se a
yes na say omo nto nkwanta wa pai but is it not Dr. Kwame Chine can say ultimate guarantee
ni safety
e ma me am be can be Dr. Kwame say wa ya de say we use wa chere maturity nti ade no me ka say bra na fe de betima guarantee with security 2 words no waka one o say me ntimi guarantee with security nti member just all person over there let public know say oh say there
ya you ready say e betima protect
na won kan sa na o si nipa na mra no nte say wa ya ready so bi ala mbo ne nkuno into omra now so omra mere you see they are no
mo share say any da womra na any da wamba
hunter me say
so mo nye ready and come kan jense any da womra
hunter me kan say mi kire wachi wo say akwa bi ka say mi kire me say obi ni wo no oji ade wo bi ni onipa ne nchen de ama me so me no jira na nipa ne bai me say wo ma me ewu and also ada obenya no me ahwe what Kotoko is doing please they should be very careful in such a way say one ye kululu bia because the one we are seems like to say I'm over there work time coach be park no mo so mo ye look you have 3 years contract with the coach so it's like because of that
it is a man na Kotoko have to pay some money to the coach
yes and I mean say Kotoko so mo ye say na bia papa na man say ye ntua what you are doing is wrong
omuka so muntia
no but say chama ye nkola wo kram ha
kulu asama me ka wonti ase me ba
see and wife o South African way
but
that say o gentle ni gina mu
eti wo de ma ye get
look no kaba o say see ano baba no mo ka chene say muntimi en guarantee ni security di momba
na say see omo so omra
omra no mo ka to ase say obetima guarantee ndi omra
di omo so omra
oh no
me fa na djuma
you see let me tell you something west emuodu oh sana that I'm thinking say they will say oh chairman say there be bia your kenti wo there bra
nka yene ne ka se ye ntumi ba say see de ne ma gugu akwa
ntiba also is fear say you see broni your broni so what choose west ma broni no want choose ni ya o ba be say bia waka na trada twi ka se mu ne de indirect no sanko workers one bra na say yetimi a guarantee ntina bra
but broni there
I expect so be ka say there ubetimi ama
gugu akwa mu aba
it when you see that word no ho na bi no lentre no maybe jitu say ebia na that's the direction Dr. Kwame Chipe so fiba but broni no so person tia say the safety ni there
esi an bibia ye kon
sa into betima baba when you see word na so amana for say so mra nobody kotoka no dimaya obi akunu da ho ben which it could be possible because the way akoma wosoro wa also timbeka say untimi guarantee security no if na ofi ba then na wote ye then na hu ye enti a wo ka say untimi guarantee
na say see ye na wo hu ye na wa ye
sa enti a no untimi guarantee na sana wa ba look they shouldn't be kululu. I mean, what sort of life is this? You see, they are doing it so coach like so mbado no or to ask God fala into ashe.
It almost say na wa ma me duru Ghana ha. Na ke say ni coach say why head coach na abom.
It's up to them. 70 me amba na say coach ni so face or kwa kotokode ne fa so ankoya emra no ho emra ne
on san fan kotokode coach.
Na dey na
kotokode court.
Are kotokode sitting court. Ghana hina na so chemra wa Ghana.
That be kulu lo say do so near me so
say bi who can say so say be so nenu kwa say so on
that won confirm be emra
of course obi anu wo so chemra Ghana man penny asasiura I'm using him because I mean on ora no man and no is also che obi a on gram rat timi de ko na me no na ram timi va yenko so what see Zacharias who kwan so face ndi akotokode ne fa so no enya obetimi de akọ sika akọ no kwa Ghana ni kwa oya Ghana moja ko timi de kotokoko na ye foreigner
now the ambassador metias ye free one say me na mafo akuma ana BBS me se ko na ebi akope ba bi dwodo ho kakra say si yi de mintumi guarantee you safety say me bo ho ba no mintumi ana masa afra wakatira o say me hyew say enne ana say enne ye enra oti wudi amfa say enne bra enna no duri no wa ama ana masa akatira o say sade echi na wa ama na bi ebo be ye no nwotwe ana say bi anondu ana say bi anondu mienu a to ofa na say wa ama na chese wanka say we hu adi dada ni ani uni contract omo ka say omo nya fair to the code
they are not being fair because one Zacharias say na kasa kra hutimi share ne say that day no mba na hutimi guarantee security no kra no for me I said it because of Bonnie and new concept about but in kind no more seconds you are not being fair say hutimi guarantee security mba because obi adade no ba o bibi ye asa de na ye betima fetch no sika it is sika na wa ma number wetua which possible so betima na no
me ma fa say be ye madwuma no e de na wo be ye be mo sika wo
ada wadwuma no kwa no ye kotoko training is shadow say go apart of training shadow
coach ni say bibi fufuro bi
and I don't think bibi fufuro
me ma fu adwuma no me madwuma no wo ye me madwuma wo be san ko
boss adwuma no ye na hours o until that time no weapon kotoko training 5 p.m. oba no be 80 ton a say 80 ton so no wasam what are you trying to determine as I dey no wo so on tra o mamba wa 80 no na ti ni be man $10,000 a o mo no fam ye ada figures ni e kan boy mi
it is say an woni e fa say nipa wo gina mu ma no ne ya adwen say until say kotoko be ba bonte mu kan mama coach
yes because the word no use ni say yentimi guarantee with security enti coach ye betima guarantee with security anu kwa Zacharias say won kwan so betima ka say oh member Monday mi nya won kwan me yare malaria ache me na bia bu se me nka no tontom wo enti malaria ache betima ba 1 week won kwan why because one feel the crew member so be coach wo Ivory Coast so say Ghana then ti no choose Ghana environment ni yema no Ivory Coast environment na yema no enti kura kata ache no nya na be ka wutimi ka hu because one na wo so retain wo one na wo so ka ho no waka ho na malaria ache no the malaria achene why do you want him to come by force no yare
so dey wan ma dia
see flight mu timi travel be possible timi but then about to according to doctor report you see the man can use his mind to do so many things against Kumasi Asante Kotoko so they should write
yes brawa ma yes ye no ni contract bia wo sa na Kotoko dey
that day the band Kotoko tikwan ama coach wan ka che coach say mo mba no kana later omrada we na see so it also bibi na see na BBC here it is work as omra Monday me so no face on timi mama dey on kwanzo wetu aka so yare ache me timi mama dey remember Tuesday remember Wednesday remember 1 month he is right to say that because when you na do so kwa that week for 2 days and mama na da more than 2 days until after 2 days no number na yare ache na over yare number
eso o san ho yare
yes it me san ho yare number ba you see ahada ya mra o near the mathematics awono near the adwene ato that's simple as ABC. So whether they like it or not, they must prepare. Say one year they will pay. They should be in mind.
And as they say, so match coach ni say, Ombra medu ene, wa medu ene na cheso mbeso no mbe yedwuma bi. They don't have any money to pay.
I want to born in the bed. I want to born.
Yeah, fu adwuma so na wa ma.
Zacharias manager I me see for me contact him. O me hu me. What I say, obeji sika ni yopo. Yes,
maybe
don't
talk out of say ebi awu di bibi na ebe kasa say o mehu na yeda we ya lawyer
ana me say me ya lawyer
it you say o mehu o me yeda
who is
o me yeda
lawyer I say o kan maka whoever wins become lawyer and then lawyer fie nyansa and law near the book account fie dey almost 70% book 30%. So on that note, the manager to make sure say Kumasi Asante Kotoko and faculty ne trada ngona wo ye ne de gradually no one hwa wo faculty ne trada because of number 2 our coach ni ti because when I find nipa no wo de kwa Agricos wan ye na de so kwa akokoda and wa akokoda and wo so ntimi guarantee ni security go friend somra wo man notice say wo betima guarantee ntomra na momba. No, the coach is saying me yare me ntimi ma remember 1 week we say my madia and wo shedi pa no
coach didn't cancel yare
okay Zakaria said
all representing no say until say Kotoko for beba out abeka say now they can guarantee the safety of the coach, you know. The coach is not coming to Ghana to them tomorrow.
And the manager is right, and I'm giving the manager another apport, right? Me boy say obetimi as can say ni coach ni won turn here or yare nto ma
o yare say what the reporter check for yare
na doctor report news we matter editor doctor report obetimi dey abaka so yare nto doctor report ni tino ya okay no turn on the bed no but you see asem no just simple as ABC they should talk and I think that will be okay dan say
asom beso mo
yes dan say asom beso mo because omuchi ko si say enyeyi me kan kan dey acho enyeyi
Zakaria say asem nya de
ina na asem nya de
na enyeyi say me ntia
enyeyi ko to ko asem le nya de what yes enyeyi de because one Zakaria say mo no contract and as supporters say one penny. Supporters are like one penny. We are there. We are there. One penny.
And up to now, supporters will be so much.
Yes, very good. And the club own the supporters. Without the supporters, no management. What I said, no playing body. So over supporters there, you must listen to your supporters. And I only listen to supporters. So they are now also will take a decision, a wrong decision, and a wrong because you are going to pay. Okay, now if you are going to pay there, and then you team transfer bargaining and na sabi yen nyina no yen timi ntie ho ase na yen go forward in life but who per say what the trick what do you know trick for what do I mean tia say now who say coach ni say chenchina che wo so oba no oba no be kotoka internet you see say Zakaria say so pa time a oka chen say won timi guarantee ni security no ono so mre mu one case on kwada obi man so for 2 days into ono so beba ye be see the NC and the see hina na be hold no responsible yes so if say nipa na tima adwene ho and respect am no why sir why don't you also pay him back but rather no you are using trick what is the meaning of that come on it is time for people to think in this country say look untimi ko transe na won ko yade bi o kire no say wo be kire na wo be kire wa wo use trick
o person o bo team ni ka ana
akwa na nyamu ye de ayi abayi come on sika kono de enda ho sika kono de enda ho am according to information is sika win case no Kotoko file for appeal yenya resource ento akopim tango between you go say Kotoko will case and asike meanwhile here the first time na Kotoko ya sade na omuda so ye so you ask yourself until akopim na hin and omoko so aye nyoma bi say na club na koso aye the aboka so what are you trying because of skill motivate we so mo ye yibio na coach ni na one na open na okoye mosa wenya de sa yenya de sa sabi ye nyina ye nipa enne wasi obi a oso nsoni o kira wasi obi oso nso hye
asemu Zakaria Sen nene ogire mu ma no o represent no Ghana ha opani e friend no ye Charles o se onto se Kotoko be san ba bonte abeka se coach no metumi abone ho ban se de biribi anto no enya de coach ni be ba Ghana ne aba echina sansem yi uso mu sei wo fi adwene ho anche bia e be bie phone lines no na wo so de wadwen kire atumi aba me de kam se Kotoko fo nhia na omonka asem no simple ba Kotoko so se omo ma se coach ni mra enne so amedu dia enne Friday enne 8 kululu meboa enne 8 of November na kese adwuma no se Kotoko adwuma de na Zakaria Sen ontumi nye se wanyen so dia enne enye Kotoko na apom no wono oso wo ma na kanehye no so omo ni no sign contract 3 years mfie miansa ontwa ba kokora ti se koba ne sade a enne na Kotoko wosika puduo eso mutua ama no enu nti ana manfo bi ahya se keka se Kotoko mo so mo fa sabi nyansa kwa bi so na omugi coach no mubu nukwase a eti nyade a coach no so ba prene aprentra na eyade a enra ukọ kwacho parliament a assembly kosi ho ni nyina ne se opani efe no kwasi nyantechi mubakaya anas expose number 12 eba ye na kwasi nyantechi kwaji o esika adamudie enyine hu video no na osanso si su pose oman nyina ye president Nana Akufo-Addo his excellency ehye botom na je se wakọ na che wankọ na kokan ho nsem a na president akache edi mpacho tape no anasa document ekọ koma mpanifo se omunhwem attorney general se omunhwem Gwawe Akufu ema ne da opani no so ekọ parliament ekọ kan de ntia Kwasi Nyantakyi asam no akyɛ saa sɛ so omuka na me no ka sɛ enche bia na watwemienu ede yanimu asam no bɛkɔ court na asam ne koduru court a wo yɛ journalist nsɛm training a wontumi nka ho asam eni nti de pɛsɛ yɛ kan yɛ de enne na kyɛ sɛ yɛyi yɛn sɛ firi ho na pɛsɛ contempt bia ayi bia eti me no ka sɛ attorney general se de ntia Kwasi Nyantakyi asam no akyɛ no ni nyina ne sɛ Ahmed Suala na mobakaya no waka Tiger IP ya ho na obi tumi ku no obra ka wono ne yede no kogina evidence ni a kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm ni ekoku no na omu process eno ahwɛ ho asɛm aka ansa na Kwasi de na ba no nti ana Kwasi de na kyɛ no na enche bia 2 weeks ede yanim yɛn na watwemienu om de Kwasi ekogina court na prosecution no ene ma tumi akoso sɛ ebu Kwasi de a ene ne de Kwasi kwa akobiam aba ene ma akonkan na yenkwai ni yenkonkotie attorney general Gwawe Akufu na sama okan obra parliament ehia yenkoni yenkohwe yembasisi.
Mr. Speaker, I'd like first of all to apologize to Mr. Speaker and the entire House, and especially to the Honorable Minister for Mion, who posed the question, for the apparent tardiness in my attending the House. A combination of work-related travels and serial bereavement conspired to make it impossible for me to appear earlier, and I apologize for that. Mr. Speaker, on 2nd November 2018, the Office of the Attorney General received a duplicate docket numbered RO.93/2018 from the headquarters of the Criminal Investigation Department, CID, of the Ghana Police Service on a case entitled The Republic versus Kwasi Nyantakyi, under cover of a letter dated 01 November 2018 and bearing reference number CID/AR.238/2018/17. The letter indicated that suspect Kwasi Nyantakyi, a former president of the Ghana Football Association, GFA for short, had been secretly recorded by undercover private investigator Tiger I, engaged in corrupt conduct. After an initial review of the docket by a team of prosecutors, the police were requested on 10th January 2019 to furnish the office with some further documents to facilitate the completion of the review. Additionally, in March 2019, Tiger I was requested to furnish the team with an updated report covering all videos submitted to the Office of the Attorney General. Mr. Speaker, eventually, the documents requested from the police as well as the updated report from Tiger I were submitted by the police in May 2019. Unfortunately, Mohammed Swali, a member of Tiger I, and a principal witness with whom the prosecutors directly engaged in the preparation of the case, was tragically killed on 16th May 2019. The death of the journalist unavoidably stalled the preparation of the case. The review of the docket, Mr. Speaker, has since been completed and the presentation of the case in court is imminent. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Okay, eti eno so ho asam kakra ewo ho eno no motiye die ntia Kwasi Nyantakyi asam no mpanifo entumi enhwe enkan ye na kyese eno so ne ensama efiri oba but quick one breaking news bi a ababeka yensa sesi a obra team konwa no se de Kumasi Asante Kotoko asɛm a yɛka no coach Zakariasen a report Kotoko ɛwɔ mpacho ɛyɛ Norwegian embassy ɛwɔ Ghana ha sɛ Kotoko de no fa kwan bi so a nani enye ho eti omo so mrem na omo meka bi emfama no ɛno ɛne nsɛm ɛba breaking news sesi a ɛna ɛba betomu a yɛnso yɛtumi ɛbreki ɛde amamo Kululu opening nya report
I think that would be the best way because the group for anti their collaboration everything my head so it's good say what me I report to the amount per fontino almost no cancer like the way I said it earlier also mo trans no can no be a it me then etin one sit down na hula balu or mo de be Kotoko must be careful because these things I mean since when they dey Kotoko it is time for them to make sure say things will put in the right direction instead of we are going forward obi antin be Kotoko
anyhow bia be yiska no okọ
chale ya omete
okay yansan somra na kwesi yan techi asem no yesi enche na wotwemienu ede yanum yi ye de akwasi court enam anas expose number 12 e bai na asem nya koduru court a wontumi nka ho asem koso ka ho asem e be chew contempt nti yesi yeso yaka ye de ne go ne na asem no agina ese yenso ye kan nya techi asem yesi a Ghana ya to aba ye yi GFA boss mummy and Tuntwene na as a man you moving forward because it's a new GFA president aba who be here say esan so ka asem biom sa
well I think say hunter before then no yenya yenim say Ghana mra kire say say asem wo court ayen kan wasem but don't also forget say it will be a central adwuma no yen hwehwem etime ko deep ansem bi owo a ye kan wo be hwa na kwakosi wo be ka Jamefe commission 2014 and na we wouldn't know can was say bet you want to money ade wo kan ni na de kan yen hye yen kasa bo hye report me ko si say
ekodu ba bi ne yesi ayira
even I can't remember they asked His Excellency Osini Refi but I think we are still about the law I can't remember early this year and one of my senior man let me use this platform to mention his name Kwabra Japan on Attorney General Edin Komo at the far Kwesi Nyantakyi issue or say obi am report to Kwesi Nyantakyi and farmer here say ontimi fa no ko mo kan assembly bia intime emra we ti asem no and then 4 days say den a asem no be pure parliament no now I was happy because verdict ni verdict Ghana for nyina den
ye twen a chekra
no nyame enchade Andre ya Attorney General Ghana court nyina penny ma man na kasa and akọ parliament entima akọ kan say within 1-2 weeks no verdict ni be ba bonten now that's the only thing Ghana for the education because emra president issue ni buy no bi ni say oh anya hwe na jikoto who say announce a video ni buy na e bi o wholesale transport e bi o wholesale jikoto we but ni nyina akoye say Kululu so Ghanaians adwene say na ni de o ma miska say menye fa ka incident na wotimi
say
me sab honorable Robert Safo Satan no no madam for pa atamo ba NSA no Ubaka so on so command 5,000 and I say who ba sem honorable no ka say nipa no 5,000 no man no 13 no owie ye no and no there o san fa fee ni table so say dey esan ko now madam Liliande no who ba sem ama no kra ka so small bi and nipa no dey sesan dey and brand dey say dey you say e bribe sanidara command bi no so nje pushing that to a certain also okay if you feel sound is kind of there farmer me boy no and then I want some edidoku I can get 5,000 our Patrick Razak internet some number me wonyan ama Samosuka e kotokone has
penalty bi akobo obi mfin mu
ama akobo yet ko konye oguan and 5,000 ana Kwesidia there because of Kwesidia be he said okaka say asasura Ghana man pension kotokuom and a lot of nsembia
okay
we don't need to I mean say to extend it here and say sense ma Kwesidia na ho ya dey ho ayu ama ebedu baabi no politics is setting in ama whether I like it or not people use it against the sitting president and we all know our politicians the way they play each other so all the night is up to them so now Attorney General about this they say there send sintenche bia no we Kwesi be kokod na Kwesi akoyi ni ho ano obi be ka say aden ya to abawie na yama poma enko twere ba bi twere then we want to push forward and then if friend and yes I agree with the person but BUT the person also may not forget say emra na edi buman nti omo won kwan so mo Kwesi be ko wo Kwesi ko na me ati bia no Kwesi edi fa Kwesi so won kwan so de be de on the back then it started from there yetime justice because we all man nakasa yes freedom and justice so yenye ni nyina na yetime de aboa o man no man so de yetime akonanim you know case we no a case me person can verdict in about them because most of the cases I am not verdict in the check
because when according to Attorney General was say because of Ahmed Swali because ono na say nanka ono so beka evidence ho and obi koyi ni kwa free nsam
but Hunter let me take this opportunity to say and now Friday you say you nya no nya baby ko no Muslim ni ti ye be sere say abusian franchise say ye kai omo yawo asam na aba ne de cancer but very sad because ye nya century na ato no but you know na sere say baby will be Allah and fan crazy now Hunter like the way you are saying it's good say asam aba no ka ye so motimi akobai je be sere ye nim say yen painful omu bu amra no wona amra ne so omu sa omu nimude omu sede enti na omu so in ekoye lawyer for we give them that respect you to check them up every day and night but instead of what the boy ekeka ko na
as a check nka ba na kufa show danka o maka na ya soro so
sa no bia hu ne stand but na later na ankusi agape then people start lose interest on that angle say the bia asem kwa ye hu hwe the bia asem kwa ye hu hwe mi wa muso na mosem brada muso na de muso na mutumra so I think say kwesi nya ntati asem eto in fact Hunter I keep on telling people say look enya sempa a wona eto wa maybe nka be hango
enye kura
but as nka be hango nti me metia kura sa asem no esan ba no me feel say ti kwesi asem bi wa na because ba ne sa ukura ukra ojembe sew because almost 1 year ni na nke face asem na dey article and for now Attorney General said say dey was sensing na so mo de one kwesi court now yenhwe ni a court e de be ba bontin it could be possible class e bia kwesi may win it could be possible because emra e bia me no me ni mra do
o diska na yehu no obesa so wini asam kana mi bi se bi sa o diska na yehu ni nyina
yes say nye sika bia na wo gia e ya damudi
okay
like the way I said it you see me sa video na about bontin no you know there is a lot of discussion Mo say
editing bi be mu ana omo de TV
but the video na wo show me man kwhwe because I said it the moment the video na come baby and san about public in there I don't have interest
na san ke yi ni straight
that's my mind because you know let me tell you something there are so many things that are happening behind the scene timemufo ye de yehu and video ni be buy na come for Phyllis and can say the whole from day 1 up to day crank nyina yenko conference center no bia
yenko from A to Z
sir but enya ba ho ansa na ba bonten a minim ne wo ho a efimu menka se bi fimu ye ana bi efim but enu kwa se ba ho ansa na ba public absolutely no me
yasanke you straight from the owner himself straight
it means that video no man show me I can tell you videos so that me on social media but say me connect wallahi man ko because I told people say me need interest why because akofa baby ansa na aba one say na identity it could be possible say bia nyayeye fe say kwasi aya eye bone o say ye twena so no bi kura na yes sir because what kwasi also is a lawyer what does it
and na be ma asem na yehu
yes and na ma yehu because kwasi a lawyer and the two minimum you no tie Hunter see a program na my hands are blessed FAN say oh chale mumra omo ye empower sponsors they have right to give us transport now my hands are blessed I can say oh chale the one we hear adwuma ne de say no mama adwuma no ada soronko like the one omo da soronko a e ba ne cake a wodi cake a woti cake na ye cake basabi a cake a woti mi di chef fridge more than a year no mu ni mu ye na adwuma no kon kan ka say oh mukwa oh Hunter woni kululu mu nfa we fa ka all of a sudden na about until say my hands are blessed ya be bribe no I mean can it be possible and you know Sanya maybe say nesia na ya da spiritual because court ne police station won this answer no what are they
me ba ma me phone lines no the two a wasam no so ma
okay
0553646488 and answer sa line no producer okay ni yen use we 0500101010 0500101010 na wabo wuram coach Zakaria Sen a report Kumasi Asante Kotoko ade ama eye Norwegian embassy omo Ghana say kotokokwen omo de ne fa so no nye eti omo nka bi emfa ema no kwasi nyantachi asem no ebehia se yebesa so agbawure matwetwea de akwasi akogina court atwen na wotwe bi nu ade yanimia yanche bia ye de asem no court yato abawie nka yenyem manenka anase still na no yeni na yehu bebi enan eni etire so ebegu eti ano so ho asem kro 0500101010 uba na wama UTV volume no etumi akofom na yenu atwetwen komo ena efiada tibowuram ntam ansa na wotumi ayi too late
ahanta before college no be yan to just say kwasi yan 30 die no ka FIFA e de ba be to just say kwasi and Ghana ska of football like that administration no omo ye nhwehwemu a editing buy no kwasi and football sika
what the test report the buy na kwasi ani
yes because who's are some buy no FIFA also ma ba nhwehwemu say who's are ya maska bi sa go project ne ade no FIFA say
what man for me first caller hello good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Oh, Osasu Mumram 0500. Okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, Auntie Felicia.
Good afternoon.
Yanko, Auntie Yanko.
Auntie Felicia.
Auntie Felicia Yanko.
Ah, na mi ba to ko tinya de cha so mi enti mi ya ma nka ma ni yi.
Okay.
Enti mi ya ma nka ma ni yi. Bi e de ko.
Okay.
Na ya je so de ma obi obebe dia.
Okay. Yo.
Zakaria so ogu kotokoko ni mu ase mi de o me ni anye.
Oh. Okay.
Ah me ni anye ba. Ka de ke ne ka se sika ko na ro ku te mu ko na ajani pa ni enti nka ne de.
Okay. Yo.
Ana wanda 23 so me bomba ya mo to mu ko ku ni mra.
Okay. 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 Yeah, but I say Auntie Felicia was your bomb yama black meteor say omufan kunudi 05001010 na wabawure muba na wamavuru no etumi akofo mama me na wakasa ne etumi ate wonka ewo show su jasu sports na rugusu a wo hwe no Coach Zakaria Sen awopote kotoko kwasi nyantachi from my GFA boss ya de no ekwa kugirem ewo court. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, fine afternoon.
Chama, udini babi akasa free.
Fine afternoon. Me kasafi, the din there, me say, me kasafi adenta New Legon.
New Legon, what do we do?
President, President. President, so by this time, Kranka, so other prison. So, aburo me trimpo boni awadi e ono wadan wo kunfudunfu. Obabo no mba dia qualify okwa no ma ko cheskadi no asan ba betenase na otimi aka so man paniche obotom dia Ghana ha na edi nyama bi dia konke but it ogina court na e ka no aso ma jelina nka ne oba keto ko so ma fa no de kwa de bia obeye obesuan kwasi nyantechi ne de ebeye west on fa kwasi nyantechi de nsuan nyansa
ya da se kasa wase kete de no market so meye bio na se kete be bia na eye edi kete de ono ho ye gentleman o je bia da kwasi su ye gentleman oh
yeah
ma me for we to hello good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Udini babi akasa free. Dan Suman yanko mini abema yanko.
Kwasi nyantechi nyese asamu yenche se ese de ko.
Oh.
Me susu se fa no ko.
Yo. Yo, yeah, that's it. Obi ase yamfa kwasi nko na wo kan akwasi asem.
Yeah, na me kwa de I was saying nko because yamfa na nko.
Awo fo so yamfa nko.
Of course, yes. Why not? But
what you to be you need there for boss.
It doesn't matter. E ba me sa obi a meye bi. Na o man da so e kwa na pro. Until lawyer for no judges no man dey.
Mama me for we na to aso. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Oh. Okay, yanko. We between about 0500101010 na wabaso abeche wadwin. Akosi nyantechi.
So me dem support so.
Mama for we be about. Hello, good afternoon. Okay, it yanko.
Me dem support so mo fa nko. But as say obedi bim and obedi for there. Enye me no mienu ana.
Eno ye court na be kire.
Court na be kire. What I say, but yen there ye ni wasam so mo de be kwa no mo fa nko. But verdict no ana ye hwe na bibia ye ntentem se na be ya going forward we go say Kwesi no or back to football and now say na kutubo kwa yese mo hwe na obi ehu say ye de ne koye no transparency aye adwuma
amemfa we na to aso. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Udini babi akasa free.
Kujide Osei Richard, with Kasafi Dansuman.
Osei Richard Dansuma yanko.
Me pasa me frère ma de fa nante ti afem no.
Yanko kan wasam yanko.
Nante ti woni bibi fa one nanado. Sa ohu sa nanado ade bribe a. Ko beka. Amu masabe ni tibreni huna nante ti. Na mu ko fa so ba na aduma. Ko to bi mbo bi ka ka so mo pan kokko. O chabi wo yo man pani ndi e bia sabi ya ka se bi ogu e man ni dibre. Sabi obi ani sabi ambra. So mai mo obi a tun chambra.
Okay.
Sabi na o de bribe no. Na nando o de bribe no o mu chebi uni wo wo.
Uni evidence dia no anti
uni. Na mo fa ba say na tati. Ana ko bi. Nando ni anti jo uni mu bi. Ya na anti se huna. Sa na ayi all the time what you mean I got chase because 1 million here and now go back and tell ka say about the children only be for the put you for my GPN so much so what that I know my margin can na for only here baba only be then na the say only mo share kana ayi.
Oh, okay. Na waka ya basre uba no atwe ho na waka Kwesi yantachi asef no waka no kama yemfa ne nkọ ananse yenya no na ya ka ye ne de asem no ba de tia ne yebeka obi anka politics David eti Kwesi yantachi ya ne court yam ayese ya de ne ko ananse enyese ya de ne ko because ya to aba eyi new GFA boss dada Mr. Edwin Simon Kurt Okreku ya yini wanu ya dini besi so enti Akwesi de nka mumye nyama nkai na yentu aso no eni asema ye bisa. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Chama odini babi akasa free.
Me firstly Dansuma yanko. Sakama.
Okay, Sakama yanko. Dansuma okay yanko.
Asem ya Ghana no more so ya tempua. Because Ghana go be you have ba ko fo o say and yes asem ya nkan ka na you
okay.
We are the crowd by the time I do my pet. Other than Rana, I said, you something to pet. Because you are
Yo, Yabadase, Papa, bet you about 0500 10 0500 10 just sports or the daily. Uba now one more TV volume no etumi alcoform and so at the amami 0500 10 0500 10 wabawurem aso bia say yemfa ne nko
who say medical aka
ye ni ahumo brokra
ye ahumo ba asem da bia na ye ahumo ba asem obi ko twi wi e wa soro da wi de ne ko wo pra Yesu Kristo wo de ne ko ye so aja say enti no we dey ahumo bi anu je what okọ na se emra no ma wo kwan se oni amfomsu bia ya kudos to se emra no se wa ye amfomsu a it's up to people betimi ajeje but ye kasa mi emfa no kwa e be ya do obi a be take advantage
am for we na to aso. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Chama odini babi akasa free.
Clement
kasa free. Ozo kasa free. Oh, young boy. You, that's it. Answer Clement. I say, Munyami, Papa 0500 10 0500 10 just sports on the daily. She the Maxwell Road Sports Center. Now, ya the Akwesi Yantachi Ekokot Kululu now kasa.
No me no gusa make say si amfana nkwa ebeye insanie dia da wo wodi achi ni so bia be dey be follow. Wey se Kwesi be di bim and obedi for obi antimi.
Court na be kire. Ba court no dey so wodi ne ko. Wodi ne ko it could be possible so betuma afa ne wodi could be possible say ontimi ya. Be see you kire betuma afa ne wodi.
Oh, why not?
Okay.
Enti na okay now. Sanka wonji ntum say obetima afa ne wodi a why court. And sanka asam ka say ebu no for street. But because of
possible honti
sa betima tan ni wotime nwuni nti na omo so omo de ekoko so ye ne ni wasam amuna mo shamra no to they have right to say obi abetum do obi akokot mra da wo mo obi ase obi abetum ide attest mra ne se ko na so kwasi muni fine you see and don't also forget a very big damage se kwasi muni akwasi so betum atwa damage that's how it is oh say na ukwa cry ye kan say wagu me hu fi be dware me I don't na ayin for na e wo so it's good say kwasi be ko ba so
ene je kure mu be hu
oh yeah I say ehu a me no be sua de achimba de be sua de no man ne mra na e da wo na wo say de ru o man no atima ye aduma I think say ene be bo asen say ye obi aye wei ye say ye no kra ntino ye fa no court ni ye hu straight forward because me no mienu te na ye college kra na o ma gire o tanta ebi betima ka so kwasi wo case because of one or two things ebi betima ka so kwasi ni case one or two things you see when you sit outside and you don't know the law you say it as you want oh say na but we come ready man kasa
maybe na imran kura
yes me try say na law kakra and going forward me tia say unu obi ofie kura na otabo wakutia odidi watam say especially yenya no ma no akutia bo no bra oh je na nyomo to ni ade na enu kura utimi de court one but so when you law na unim into obi onu nim law no betimi de wa true atam didi ana abu baba keke
okay we ma for we hello good afternoon ma wuti ko no ko from why hello good afternoon
Afternoon.
We didn't have a casa free minium.
The casa free caswa top your family
Edward Caswa Yanko, Eddie Yanko.
Na enya Ghana hana yamfa mbra enye jumana yenye hwehwemu mwanka kwesi anteti oda hu tifie obini yiri fufu. Se atoni jema mbekani yenti ase eyi Ahmed Swale ni wa ni 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 continue kwesi anteti case. Na ni bitaw atoni jema office ni pa ba ko pe no yeduma wo. This we appoint other officials in the CGT Ahmed Swale. Na yon talk with you anteti deso. Master case ni na wa Ghana ha entity kwesi anteti be ko so a edu. The Mangani Netino, whether more said.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. 0500 10 0500 10. Now, our producer, man, for 2 callers, and count of a ready and also echo 0500 10 0500 10 also wabo every. Now, as some Medina Massam you.
Nama somebody who say Ghana for me Briagino Montreal. What I said, Nama you say, I am a casino.
Mamma for we in a twasso. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Never near when you say Ghana Fagin Montreal. Hey, until the Cosia in Yajana now. Hey, any Sada Miss Maybe. Hey, no, my Ben said, or my Ben the young can crack, or be a banner Ben.
Sabi, Nianko, you didn't bet Jeremiah the main evidence as soon as Sabi, you're quite in confused.
Yes, more genuine questions, but I think that Attorney General Sono.
Mamma for winner 12. Hello, good afternoon. Hey, hello.
I think that Attorney General Sono to extend say so the Kwasikwa obetime any evidence and sound all they call. So let's wait and see. Who knows tomorrow? It could be a bit possible. So that a member of BI didn't bear the fine. You see, issue you buy a big crack as a question back crying to me in school because almost school cry the inside
and also between our family.
Oh, yes, of course. It has already affected them. But I say, affect your mother that, not affect your mother that. So it will be good, say. What we call court, we will say indeed, kwasi ye bone, and now kwasi ye bone. So that ochire kwasi ba na mo na point bone ya. Onu so betimi ade, onu so betimi do afa mbra so. Sense o motimi eja me trada na kwasi because case we e ba na affecting the brain. Nti e ba de say so court na asam county me ko wuni a. Maybe ni a wahwere nyina will come back to him. Then he start life afresh as a woman being. But some court na asam that so yan ni ehu say yesi kwabi kofi konzo na kwanti ade a na say yanya hwe ene ba de sana na oman ni mra na ne yetoto ase no ene oman ni mra nso tete ase a na so oman na ototo
okay mami for we hello good afternoon chama udini babi akasa free
Hello, afternoon.
Udini babi akasa free
But we kasa free.
Also kasa free
Yes, sir. I got.
Okay, yanko
ayi na isa court
yanko nana yanko
na pe ja te mu abu ja le ta pe be ya ba o abu ja na te pe be ya pa ga le bi ga telephone ho ya pa se adi we ye share ke ga no na ba na wo so court we papa be na ba ko yo court na ba na wo so papa be pa na court le ba ko ye
omba ye pa omo de ne ba fa ma pa
ma de ko dira ho
amra wo ho men ka sa amra wo ho de ma fa ma
ka la ko bi wo ya o
yo
ba ma ko pa e ka da le bi wo ya o papa te ye wo da football
yo
e se mo pen so ni se football e yo mo dia
yo ya da si producer last call why 0500 10 0500 10 kululu the west na besi wa semu yin woni sen
oh the west na beti me justice
baby asam no dan ye de beto
yes ye de beto ye de to a enye den a
obi ntire ho ase
ba ko be kan say di pam no na epre nte ye den a
the case between the public and Kwesi Nyantakyi
yes
mami for last caller hello good afternoon good afternoon chama hello good afternoon ya tun kan yanko wodi ni ba ka sa free
ya
yanko e kan sam yanko we wale wi
ba ayen na ba ko be di nkunu na ba ko adi for no na Ghana boy hwe so that enko ba say e be record adaho say enta ko be wiase be ko na wie no obi ba ya na friend Kwesi Nyantakyi o ye say ni
okwaji ka say o ma penishin buto na nya no kure
ni na ya no kure ni na sanje ma obi a aye fair but wo hwe manima asesa obi frey I think last but 1 year asemo kan no it seems like Ghana for ni areshemu wo mrani mu bio omo shem
asemrani mu ha
yes because look at the color
emran so wo ekuremo ediwa na do samra wa ha
the color is saying say then and kwakosi wo it's like I say
ye ni areshem biem
yes of course but what he say
eti omum ye hu say
is it
true emran wo mu
yes and I think say
emran ye wo pa emran wo ban say
I think say ndebesi because
ediwa obo hu say yes
the way things were going so mine wo na public na elusu interest ewo nwa wosemra na tumre mu a I mean e mu ha and look at asma color you kind no say onipa no kasa as me show say matured in terms of onim ne akoso to extend say ntino gina say dey o dey kasa but we are pleading say ayemra ebi andra an office emra na mfa
ne be fa ebi na achi obi hu ni say bi na nya adwuma but be bru so no na ya adwuma
but the fact also you don't forget say me no one here lawyer for and now whoever the people of feminism say lawyer but so far as I want your lawyer no
you can kasa yes am dey
until on say until bia na won ti via office ofie nyansa na say office say we dey o say dey enter to no e bia go come sa ye kotu article 42/6 na mawa ubon say a balance na ye no kre
lawyer bi kasa bi me fenzo ansa na so lawyer bi kasa bi o say obi tumi de sekan wo obi ye gina ho ne hu se wo de sekan wo no ne ya che no ne ya si wo de sekan wo de nipa ni wu yamfa no hospital ye de ni bedru hospital wo ne nipa na wu ye betumi de asem na court ye hu se wo de sekan wo no ye che no sekan ni kura no but ye de be court no ye be ka se enyo no ne ku no etima ye mfa ne ntum ene ye bisa ansa de ntia wo se ye betumi aba se wo de sekan wo ne nipa no emu na mu yediri du hospital na senka nurse fo no ejina ne so ntam hwe no no omo so ne nam ho ya kokwasa nti nurse fo ne ku no nya de ode seka ho
which is possible because one ye wo kromo am ya kokasa nyumtuni bi akoko yi de bema e wo stage ye de no court ye say toy ene wo asem no what I say nse bia na me no me de ya fe say wo bua
ye no kura ye hu
but ye ni momra no nti edimi famra na say nsem so ya be sere ye college
o final pra
me final ne say mama be friend but
Auntie Felicia
why are there pa like he follows the sports
of course
is it 3 segment she said
some okay
oya there pa and then oba odin hu sports rules and o say encourage you
very intelligent
yeah no mutimi do hu sports na etimi ebo ya chi do because omu ni wa yes ye ni wa omu so eni wo na maybe a man football na kwakodu ne man so do omu be wura mu a atin say omu nto ye kra na limit no be e kakra now ye ko la bi ka asem se Nana also of evidence man o se Nana do boa wa jiska ni bi ye be sere no we daily sports ye twa won de afim
yes and yes
ko se
Nana jiska bia jiska bia mbodi ehun ndi no de
sa anti kwasi
oni evidence
kwasi na Nana's video ko che no and ye hu se oye we and I'm running and air court. So all what we are saying is that Yandi Yatiano Yan Shamra and Inti and I want for Cosiamre, the best attorney general said, near Tibia, the one was a Ghana for Bono, your best reno, or Manu Bosheno, Intimi Emblem. Now, whoever is 40, no, Ghanaians must know, not even can't your viewers. You should almost say, oh, as some like a veteran, I can't, Sabi, you're wasting time. You better can so whether it will go against the state or Kosinyantechi, it's up to them.
Like I say, the whole my gun in Yania Kosinyantechi. Oh,
yes, for now, the word now, so but you see, or some say, look up on yourself because judgment debt.
Okay.
Judgment that any power could mine, any companies no one job man is capudo. Yes, it tells you that nothing about a cost, but when you will be a film, I be moved. So also why you will be a family judgment debt, yet you will come one day yet to be who be so much. Why? Because of mine, as I often said, almost until you can say the power could be overtaking the details wrong way and people overtake every day. So what you are saying is that Yanshana infant you no one can ever fasa. You have call us on mine. So you better if you are say Fitiman be a payment. O madam
Zambia almost answer eti quick one yemom na yanko pacho wo dan wani na uko Europe monte so apacho European top 5 leagues yade ano so eko yankwai na yanko Fishers no na wotwe ye baby a etire ene nan so ebegu ni ahwe parents no se de sitie yemom na yanko EPL English Premier League no pacho yade na wotwe ye matches dodo na eso ebetodwa Chelsea ebegina kono sanso ena pacho yade Arsenal, the Gunners, Manchester United, and Man City Munina, and so Ebegina Akono Etiano, and so in the Wakaka, Jetumi so Ede Mamu, Anobaya Tinti, Jama Bundesliga, and a Guswa, and so a can home Fred, na Afe so Ayada, Spanish Premier de La Liga, and also a Kebu, and so I was screening to bet me, na Waka de Ekoso, and so Ewo, and so Kamakama, to me at the Armaminti, and no, Fishers. And a tragu was screen so no say once between a share na fe mo amukotwa mo bet no na mahwe matcha mutimu so airball na che say basa after say omukoye hwe han kwaje 3-1 between asanso aba back na enema akoye kana chance on say Madrid enso edim kunimu nsia amanfo ho kire ompa ti coming back no La Liga enema ebetumi akoye enso edi amomuti Fishers no ena tragu a so utumi ehumidi de Maxwell Euro the sports hunter ha ena bere mamam kwan na yedi show ni nyina ebesi nyame adom na adom be dum ya juada e besan so abetena se na yetumi edi show no aba utimi ne akululu nka jai bone na je papa fi so wanyaboa amaboa wunkum aboa sanso na se biribi eni apotowe mu a ke didi wi a yemfa yensa nkomu anwan entafiri mu da yire ho na je adwuma de jade aka nyina fema onyankopon akrama ma me na nadwono kana channel so bentoa empa ne to da o my Ghana nyina me mamu good afternoon me nuanum kramfo wassalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam Monday ibeshia